Look at this, y'all. This is crazy. Look how green it is. Hey, I don't know if y'all missed me, but hey, I'm back. It's been a couple months, you know what I mean? Ups and downs, personal stuff, all of that stuff, but y'all ain't come for that. So I'm here on a job. Actually got a house wash, and so had a client reach out and looking to get the house washed. Obviously documenting damage already. I'm gonna be delicate on that, but then come super muddy, y'all. Been raining a lot. I'm actually gonna knock out this walkway, so see all of that organic growth in there. Obviously get the bricks. See all of that nastiness on the bricks. It's gonna look really clean. Take care of my client once I'm done. And so right now, I'm getting a pump up sprayer. I got my turbo nozzle. I'm actually on downstream, so I got my downstream injector right here. Go ahead and hook that up. I did make some upgrades to my trailer. I'm gonna do another video. Got the buffer tank, but had a couple issues with some plumbing, some leaks. But I'm gonna do another video soon. Did some upgrades with my signs, the house washing. Obviously, I got my sign right there. I literally just talked to a neighbor. He was walking his dog and saw my sign. He took a picture, and so we'll see if he's gonna reach out. But anyway, stay tuned, y'all. Check this out. Put a little bleach on there. All of that turning white too. So. Hey, if you don't have any deck boots, waterproof shoes in this industry, man, you setting yourself up for failure. Just letting you know. Because we had a lot of rain past couple days, and this backyard clearly not good drainage. But anyway, coming back around, I actually rinsed off the leaves of the patio. It didn't take that long, so I just knocked out the siding, got that nice and clean. See that? No dirt at all. Come around here. Like I said, man, I'm in a good mood. Oh shoot, almost slipped. I'm in a good mood, man. I haven't had a job in man, several weeks, but appreciate God looking out for your boy. And on top of that, people stopping by, you know, the neighborhood, taking a picture of my number on my trailer and handed out a couple cards. So that's always a good potential clients. So mostly the brick. Then I got, you know, the soffits as well. Huge transformation with this walkway. I got some before and after pictures right here. See the difference in that. The brick as well, before and after pictures right here. And then over here, before and after pictures. And then I knocked out all of that siding on the side. So yeah, y'all, full transparency, this take two. Apparently my video cut out like 20 seconds in the last one. But appreciate y'all for watching, man. If you found me randomly, thank you. If you're a subscriber, thank you. If you're a new subscriber, thank you. Like I said, personal life been up and down, but feeling better now, mentally, emotionally, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm about to wrap up. And then wifey got a date night tonight, so looking forward to that. And yeah, y'all, until next time, take care.